Hello, this is Richard Wilson coming to you from Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm here at the Boulders Resort, and I want to record a short video on wealth shrapnel. Basically, what is negative about being ultra wealthy? A lot of people see ultra wealthy as someone who has a private jet, who has many houses, has more money than they know what to do with, perhaps, who's making investments all the time, but they don't see all the negative things that come with it. I have one client who's worth several $100 million who has been blackmailed 12 times. I have people that are clients who are threatened by employees that if they don't do something, like give them a big severance or agree to something in a settlement, that them and three others will claim that that person did something to them and, ruin their reputation, essentially. Uh, the people who are ultra wealthy are typically the ones who are sued the most. The regulators come after them. They're on everybody's radar. If you're in some countries, it's whose assets get confiscated or who has new laws created to basically take away their assets or take away their market share. Many times it's the ultra wealthy who are targeted for kind of silly lawsuits over slip and falls, and it happens much more often than most people probably know about. And I find clients are surprised by this once they have a big exit and they see the amount that they are targeted. One of them had an employee in their office who got in a car accident with someone who was driving a fancy car, and someone in their office said, "Whoa, well, this is your lucky day. You just got a lottery ticket. You should go after them for everything you've got." That's the attitude of some people against the ultra wealthy. And I think that it needs to be talked about a bit more, and people need to realize that if they're part of an ultra wealthy family, that you can be and you probably are being targeted on some level by some people. And you just need to have your eyes open to that reality if you're serving clients like this or if you are in a family like this, because unfortunately it is real, and you have to watch what you say in what circles and how you appear, and make sure that you don't let your guard down. I was having lunch with a group yesterday that owns a bunch of dental clinics, and they said that they let their guard down on one thing, did nothing wrong, but it opened them up to a lawsuit for $400,000. And I told them a story about one of my clients who, again, didn't do anything wrong, but they left something open to interpretation with their intellectual property, and a competitor came after them and really abused that stance, and got them banned from a media platform because of that hurt their business a bit. So you just can't really leave yourself open on a soft spot when you're on the radar, people know about you, or they might be envious of the success or wealth you have. So I hope this is helpful for many of you in the space. If you want to check out more on our thought leadership and our free books, please visit familyoffices.com. Thank you.